Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver Symbiosis VAT video. So in this video I'll be talking about what are the important parameters you should keep in mind while you're preparing for the VAT and all the important topics regarding the VAT. So all the aspirant, those who are writing SET general examination and SLAT examination, to all of them have to appear for the VAT. So this year there is a change in the paper pattern guys. 90 minutes they will be devoting for your exam, after then 30 minutes time for the VAT. So it is equally important to prepare for the examination along with the VAT, okay? And it is the record of the symbiosis guys कि आपने अपना exam तो clear किया है, but because you have not performed well in your VAT, that is why you get flunked to get into the symbiosis. So don't take lightly your VAT preparation guys. So we have launched Symbiosis VAT PI course, which you will find in the sectional courses. Those who are going for the SET general, kindly go to the manuedu.com/BBA entrance. In that you will find the sectional course. In that you will be getting the VAT PI courses. And those who are going for the SLAT law entrance, they have to follow this link, and in that sectional course, and in that you will find the VAT courses. For any assistant you can contact to this number guys. Further I'll be guiding you how to join the courses. So broadly your VAT is divided into these part guys. One is the abstract topic, where you will be getting the question based on the diagram, like they will be giving you the circle, you have to write on it, or they will be putting like one dot and you have to write on it. Second is the business and the economic related topics, very important. Current affairs, any national or the international issues, and social issue like coronavirus COVID-19. So what basically VAT test guys? So VAT meaning is what? Written ability test. We test more of your knowledge with regards to the particular topics, how open your mind is to think about all the parameters. Critical thinking is very important. Fourth, how you explain your articulate view in the unbiased manner within the 30 minutes of time guys. And confidence. So when you get the topic, at least think 2 to 3 minutes about the topic, choose your word guys, and after then start making your point of view. So these are some pointers which get tested in your VAT. Now next is very important. What are the VAT topics you're supposed to prepare? So guys, please pause the video and jot down this detail. This is what that first 10 topics which is important, like India's first garbage cafe, US-China trade war, then climate related issues, Iran and the US conflict. So these are the some important VAT topics. Further I'll move ahead, then these are the another 10 important topics regarding the VAT. So please pause the video and go through all these detail guys. Coronavirus related question will surely be there, and its impact on the global economics. Very important. What's wrong with the Yes Bank? Again economic related. History and the provision of the Article 370-35A. So kindly go through all the important current affair news guys, mostly issue related and impact on the Indian economy and the global economy. So once again guys, VAT will test more of your knowledge and how critically you can map it within a given time. Now let me take you through the official website of Maneuver and tell you how can you join the VAT program. So guys, you have to open Google and type MANOEUVRE maneuvredu.com. This is what you have to type, and just open the page one home page. So this is how the website will open. Just go to buy online, BBA entrance. In this, if you will go scroll down and go to the sectional course, just scroll down to the last, you will find Symbiosis SET General VAT PI course 2020. Just join this program guys. Immediately it will get activated and you can start your preparation. This is for the SET general student, and those who are preparing for the SLAT for the law, just go to the law entrance, buy online law entrance. In that, go to the sectional course, and you can join from here in the last Symbiosis SLAT VAT PI course guys. Okay, so the link for this online program I'll be giving you the description, so kindly check the description. And also guys, if you are weak in a particular section, then you can join the other section like English, Maths, Reasoning, GK. And if you want to join the full course program, kindly check the full course program for the Symbiosis. Mock series is very important. Do attempt the mock test guys before you sit for the D-Day. And if you don't have books, you can access the ebooks also. So all these courses are available on this link guys. Kindly check this link. For any assistant, you can contact on 8828581455. All the very best for your preparation guys, and thank you.